Hello, here is Dinar and you are watching the video digest in which we cover the most important events in the history of the string transport and Skyworld community over the past weeks. In this release, in Sharjah, there have been completed the main works on the station and the terminal for the 2.4 kilometers track. Kyrgyz MP has visited the office of the string transport company in Minsk. Students from Tunisia have toured the string transport testing center in Sharjah. And now more about these events. Let's start with one of the most eagerly awaited news of recent weeks. At Sharjah String Technologies testing center, there have been completed the main works on the station and the terminal for the fourth track. The construction work has been going on for several months. During this time, the main contractors specialists have completed pouring concrete as well as finishing the facades. The workers have now already begun installing equipment in the future server and electrical rooms. The station and terminal are among the most important facilities of the testing center. It is these structures that will bear the brand of the 2.4 kilometers long press-dress track structure. In the future, testing of the passenger unibus and the freight unicant will be carried out on this section. Let us note that no less important and responsible stage of work, installation of track structure, awaits the project experts. In the meantime, let us move on to the next piece of news. The head office of the string transport company developer in Minsk was visited by Sharapat Majitova, a Kyrgyz MP who also runs several construction and transport companies. The main purpose of the meeting was to discuss the first stages in the introduction of the string transport in Kyrgyzstan. The guest met with the founder of the string transport project, visited the company's production facilities, got to know about the advantages of the technology, and took a test drive at the testing center in Marina Gorga. As a reminder, the company is now working on several targeted projects which are located in Asia and Arab countries. The project management announced that at the end of 2021. We shall see how the cooperation with Kyrgyzstan develops. String Transport Testing Center in Sharjah was visited by students from Tunisia who are studying to become entrepreneurs and architects. The delegation was headed by Kathy Bailey, Director of External Relations at University of Tunis, Carthage. During the tour, the guests visited the office of the company which is developing the project in the Middle East. It is the only building in the UAE that was constructed entirely of wood. The building complies with all fire safety requirements as well as sustainable architecture standards and trends. Another highlight of the tour was the pavilion, which features the high-speed model of the string vehicle equipped with a multimedia system and 6 seats for passengers. This vehicle surpasses the aerodynamic characteristics of the Bugatti Veyron sports car and can move at a speed of 500 km per hour. To experience the transport in practice, the students took a test drive in certified tropical unicar, which drove the passengers to the service station. There, the guests visited the dispatch room and familiarized themselves with unicant. This is a model of the string transport that is suitable for work in regions with difficult terrain and dense construction. The final part of the tour was the technology presentation in the company's office. During the presentation, the project representatives handed over to Kathy Bailey a book detailing the history of the string transport. That has been all the news for today. Subscribe to the SWC YouTube channel and enable notifications not to miss the next news releases of the video digest. See you later!